Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot. It is Monday, March the 6th at about 6:35 Central Standard Time. It's brought to you by Trade Stalkers and Ninja Pro Traders. So let's get started. Looks like we had our open last night at 80.25. Just kind of peaked up just a little bit right there, as you can see, high with 80.75, and we pulled ourselves all the way down below this zone, a previous zone from Friday. Hit overnight lows of 68.75, and now we're on our way back up. Uh, Closed above the zone, above the VWAP, looking to move up at least to this zone right here, possibly up to the open. So let's talk about where we're going to go to the upside first. If it comes up, it double tops right here, expect a pullback, maybe back to the 76.50 area, and then all the way up back to the open, which is 23.80.25. Then expect to pull back into this to retest this bottom of this zone. If the bulls are going to step in, they're going to have to step in up hard and push through this open and the overnight high of 80.50 to go up into this zone. A lot of consolidation possibilities right through here, so be cautious and just stay out of the consolidation. We'd like to see it get right up into the 23.83.25 area, which was last Friday's high. Get that taken care of, get a pullback into the zone. And if the bulls are going to step in, then they're going to break right higher, right back up into the 23.88 zone to 89 zone up in this area. Again, every step of the way, expect a pullback as they try to reset this market and then move on up. Next targets up are 23.95 area in this zone right here, and then we do have another target up around the 2400. Targets at 2405 as well, so keep an eye on all that stuff, okay? Now to the downside. If we come up here and fail this open and fail the bottom of this zone even, drive right back down, look for it to come down and close uh, right around this 73.25. Try to get this bounce off of here for a long and then go to the long scenario. However, if this fails below the 24 VWAP, comes down here, possibly down to the 70.75, look for it to come back up and retest the bottom of this zone and the 24-hour VWAP right there, and then head down. First target after it comes back up and retests this and heads down, then look for targets to this bottom right here at the 68.75, somewhere in this area. And then if we're going to fail this, look for it to come up and retest right around 70.50, move down into this zone at 66, and then retest these lows again, and then right back up, right down here. We're probably looking to move all the way down to the 60 area, 2360 area before we get a bounce, and I'll show you why here in a second. Next area down below that, if it gets really bad, is down to this 40 area, 42 area. So that's a key area to watch onto right here. So let's look at market profile real quick, if there's such a thing with computers these days. All right, on a daily time frame, you see we hit this when just above this 141 extension on the fibs, right there to the top, pulled back, and now we're pulling back. We want this 21, 61, 62 area to hold and bounce and go up. If you're a long-term trader for the and you're biased to the upside, first target will be 26, 24, 26. Now, if we close below this 60, 75 area, look for it to pull back and consolidate here. Eventually get down to this 42 area. That's why I mentioned it. So be cautious. Now we could hold up right here at the 51. That's the other mid target I told you about. But these are nice little moves down in here, 10-point moves into these zones. So be careful, be cautious. If you're a swing trader, take advantage of this. If we look on a 4-hour chart real quick, you can see we hit the 127 extension right on the nose. And then now we're just pulling back, come back to retest this area, 2360. 69 here, small consolidation. So we could still hit this 2360 area that I'm talking about and then push back up and try to get past this. Watch for the double top here, move into the 2414 and all the way up to 2435. If you've got any questions, contact Frank at TradeStalkers.com and have a great day.